Ayun!
Very good.
Very good. Feel better. Ay, talaga naman sobrang. Thank you.
I'm experiencing a lot of pain in my back and also in my shoulders. I'm experiencing. Oh! I feel that! Oh! I feel like I'm born again. Ah! Oh! I like it. Wow. Amazing feeling, Dr. Kim. Yeah. Actually, Dr. Kim, people only knew you. No one will experience back pain or any pain in their lives. I'm a new person now. It feels like being born again.
All right, good morning. Welcome to our clinic today. And what brings you in?
I'm experiencing a lot of pain in my back and also in my shoulders. I'm experiencing numbness and tingling on my legs. Yeah, I really want to feel relief.
And how long have you had this problem?
Actually, in this every now and then, especially during month end or during my monthly period. Especially the pain on my lower back. I have an imbalance leaning on my right. So, I don't know if my left leg is getting shorter.
Blood all the way out.
Oh! I feel that!
Good.
Oh, amazing! Oh! I feel renewed! Oh! I feel like I'm born again. I like that rock.
It was stuck for many years.
Yeah.
Many years. Now you don't have to suffer.
Ah! Oh! I like it. Wow. Amazing feeling, Dr. Kim. Yeah. Whew. I'll probably come back. Oh! Whew. That one is tough, Dr. Kim. Oh. The dizziness went out. Oh! Whew. Nice. I can get focus already. I have a focus. The pain are all relieved. This one I used to have, I don't know what position to do while sleeping. But I think lying down straight is, I'm no longer having pain. Lying down straight. I can't do this before. Being straight like this, I have to do this or do this. Now it's easy for me to lie straight. Thank you, Dr. Kim. I feel I can breathe freely. I can still feel the back pain that was relieved on my back. Thanks, Dr. Kim. If I only knew, I've been here since day one. But you're here also. Actually, Dr. Kim, people only knew you. No one will experience back pain or any pain in their lives. No more standing like this. I can stand straight now. Dr. Kim. Yeah, and I have more focus. I feel renewed. I think I'm a new person now. It feels like being born again. Oh, fantastic feeling, Dr. Kim. I'll probably come back.